Hello and welcome to Doodles with Lucy. Today I'm hopefully going to show you how to draw this little bird. Okie dokie, shall we get started? I think we should. Okie dokie, so again I'm using a black biro nib because it's nice to draw in, I suppose, but you can draw whatever you want, draw in whatever you want. So today we're just going to start off with two easy circles, like so. And then in those circles we're going to do two inner circles. On the right hand side we're going to do two small circles, and then on the left a big circle like so. Exactly the same on the left eye, two small circles and then a big circle. These are the eyes, so we're going to colour them in because this is the pupil, and the circles inside it are where the light reflects, like so. You can always touch these up and make them a bit more solid later on if you feel the need to. Okay, so like that. After we've done that, we're going to do two smaller rings, like so. These are the eyes. I'm going to go over mine now and make them look more scruffy because I think scruffiness adds character to drawing, and I guess it's just my style of drawing. So, and plus it defines the drawing and makes it a bit more cartoony. Like so, there's your two eyes. Now we're going to go on to the beak, which is really easy. It's just an upside down triangle, like so. There you go, you've got your eyes at three little tufts of feather or hair or whatever it is, like so. Now we're going to join the head up with the beak from here to there in one swift movement, like so. We're going to do the same with the other one now, like so. Again, I'm just going to make these slightly more scruffy because I think that adds character. And it looks nice, bold, to have a bold outlining for cartoons. In my opinion, I mean. You may think differently. Like so. There we go. So now you have the head of your bird. We're going to move on to the body now, which is really easy. It's just a simple small circle like that. Again, just make the outline a bit more solid and bold. There we go. Inside the body we're going to do little tufts of feather again, like we did on the top of the head. See the similarity? This is the chest area, or the body detail. So that looks quite cute like that. Okay, okie dokie. So now we're going to move on to doing the wings. Now you can do the wings pointing up if you wish, but I'm going to show you how to slope them. But if you do want me to do another video of them going upwards, just leave a comment in my comment box. So we're going to start the wings in between the head and the body, in that little gap, and we're going to point them, sort of slope them down, but point them up, if that makes any sense. I like to do 5 wing bits on the wing because I think if you do any more than that, the detail starts to get too intricate, and for a cartoon you just want simple details. Getting smaller as we go nearer the body, and just outlining these again to add to the effect. There's one wing. You're just going to do exactly the same as you did on the right wing for the left one, getting smaller towards the body. Now don't worry if the wings aren't exactly symmetrical to each other, but try and get them similar. Again, outline these like so. Now we're going to move on to the feet, which are quite simple as well. You're just going to do 4 lines like so, with a little gap in between, because that's the way we're going to put the tail in a minute, like so. Okay, and now you're going to do 3 little claws pointing in opposite directions, like so. Again, outline these, make them more bold, like so. So now you have the body and the wings and the head and everything of your bird. We're gonna do the tail now. So you start your tail about here and you end it about there. So like the tufts of fringe we did for the hair and the chest, we're just gonna do little ones for the tail, like so. So now you can go back over and do any details you want to include, maybe making the eyes a bit bolder or the ring bits a bit bolder. You know, really anything you feel that you need to touch up on. So, like so. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to suggest any animals or people I draw in a cartoon manner, please leave a comment, like if you fancy it. Okay, thanks, bye!